Ready to take that thing apart? Alright. Let's break this sucker in half. Get this thing. It's bent.
No, it's fine. It's fine.
Anyway, we're going to split it now so we can get this thing out. And see what we're going to do. Look at that hole. Alright, so we're going to put this Tusk case splitter on here. And got these little 6mm rods into position on here. And now we're just going to crank this baby down and start walking this down, and that's going to start lifting this thing in half. Oh yeah, look, we've got a seam split. Yeah, pull from here. Yeah, it's going. Yeah. All right, nearly there. All right, we lifted that splitter apart, and we got it pretty loose. It should just lift right off of there.
What's that?
Still hanging up on this counter shaft here. Checking all that bolts, making sure.
Yeah, it's that thing. Let's see the weight. Hey, if I lift this up,
okay,
so you tap that with this.
Switch sides. Okay, we got it free. Oh, look at that hole. Oh my god. Holy sh. Alright, but hey, case splitter worked. Now we can move on to the next.
Worked really good.
Yeah, that worked super easy. Alright, that's next bit. Sending this somewhere to get this aluminum patched up. Get this guy put back on there.
All this for a blaster.